Yeah, yo, so about to fire up the beast, you know. Yeah, we finally get through all of what was on the list. So right now, just going to start up and run through, see if any leaks, see if anything is there that, you know, overlooked. But everything looked good so far. So accomplished was to take out the power steering, install the smaller fan, mission motor, install the distributor, cap delete, install the turbo inlet pipe, and the ATI damper pulley. Also did some little work on the brakes, clean them up, grease it up, and you know, put a little bit of color on the calipers. Oh, also install the swirl pot. So I try to make things efficient. As I say, it wasn't no performance upgrades, it was just really some downtime I get for spend with the car, you know. I'm no mechanic, far from it. But you know, got some things done, change my axle seal, or did I leak? I mean, yeah man, so I got heater start up so you guys can see what I go on. See it? Don't know the cold start thing go. I had the charge on it, so hopefully just fire up with one kick. Alright. Pressure. Alright. That's it. Yeah man, up. Check see if you see no leak under there. That's where the leaking was from. So yeah, I put this to catch. You can see it catch any of the fluid that's left in it. So I'm going to start running it out. Damper looks good, clearance looks good. Come on. Yeah, so here we're supposed to get some rain, so I try to put it on the ground. Because this wastegate have a style to catch water in it anytime it rains. So but yeah, that's the machine. Next stop is to install a little bolting cage. You know? So I'm going to send it off to the machinists, because they're already bended. But yeah man, so that's a little update after the pulley install, you know, the damper pulley install. We're good to go. So I'm gonna try to get in a tune. So one of them there. Cool? So big up.